Hello, welcome. It's Kathleen from Shumatt, China. Today I will introduce you some of our company product, the fuel injector. This one, let's take a look. Neutral white box and also with the label. One side each piece. The product code is 04451107333. The logo, label, packaging details. We supply customized service. The first layer avoid damages, the second layer is VCI anti-rust bag. Please inject high-quality items before we send to our customers. 3 times common real test, and also good after-sales service, 6 months warranty time in this period. If you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return and exchange it. Then please let's check the details for this one. This is a protection cover. The plug. Triangle valve in the inside. General oil goes from this position and come out from here. Inject nozzle. For the spare parts, generally we use Leeway, Shumatt green power, and so on. If you want hair quality, we can use original Bosch brand. So much for this one. And at last, if you want to follow us, please follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.